This wild duck is resting on the ground. Suddenly he is lying on the ground like being hit by a bullet. What happened? Even if the small side tries to slow down the video 10 times, it cannot capture the process of hunting, but the real murderer will appear soon. The king of the air war, the real murderer, how terrible is his strength? Let's continue to see some wonderful clips of the real murderer. First, the real murderer picks up the fox. He picks up the fox's head lightly, and he immediately drops down and falls into the sea. The dead killer is able to shoot the snake, and the slow video shows that the real murderer takes a blow and the snake immediately falls off the cliff. Let's look at the scene of the real murderer's big swallow. When this big swallow is flying freely in the sky, the real murderer is able to shoot the snake, and the snake immediately falls off the cliff. When this big swallow is flying freely in the sky, the real murderer is able to shoot the snake, and the snake immediately falls off the cliff. Soon a shower of feathers drifted and the big swallow started landing directly into the cliff. The big swallow is several times bigger than it, but it still cannot be survived, thus becoming a fate of fun food. A few days ago, the runny nose on the video of a full shot of flesh, many netizens commented this. Is it really so? Today let's take a look at the battle between the oil-bombed and the cat-eared eagle. Who is the real king of the cat-eared eagle? This huge gray cat-eared eagle rules this forest. One day when he was resting in the dark, a little bird screamed and woke up. The little bird screamed and was in a state of shock. The cat-eared eagle realized that the cat-eared eagle had broken into the forest. After careful identification, it turned out that a pair of oil-bombed couples had settled down nearby. A young oil-bombed couple killed a little bird's companion, and then they kept pulling their hair to prepare for the meal. His partner is also here, and in the bird nest next to it, the oil-bombed couple raised several birds. Now to feed the family, they have to double the amount of food they need to feed the family, and that's why many little birds began to flee to the territory of the cat-eared eagle. And the cat-eared eagle family also raised a bunch of right birds. Oil bombs are like a time bomb. Maybe one day they'll kill them. And that's what makes the cat-eared eagle family so anxious. The cat-eared eagle couple gathered together, discussing how to deal with the oil-bombed family. They are all fierce top killers in the bird's eye. Once it explodes, it will be a direct conflict. It is likely to be 2 losses and 1 injury, but one mountain does not melt 2 lakes, also to protect the safety of the young bird. The cat-eared eagle father decided to attack with force, drive away the oil-bombed family. He left the nest, straight to the oil-bombed family. The cat-eared eagle mother is guarding the right bird at home. Soon he was getting closer to the oil-bombed nest. The oil-bombed father found out the situation, immediately attack. The battle between the 2 sides is very intense. The cat-eared eagle has a larger body shape. The oil-bombed family has the same speed as the bullet. The distance is getting closer. The oil-bombed family is getting closer. The oil-bombed family is getting closer. Only to see the oil-bombed family fly to the top of the cat-eared eagle, aim at the cat-eared eagle, then rush down. The oil-bombed family is getting closer. The oil-bombed family is getting closer. Only a moment. The oil-bombed family is losing the battle. It's really a world of martial arts. The injured cat-eared eagle father can only hide in the dense forest, avoid attack. In this case, if you keep fighting, he will suffer a great loss, even lose his life. Among all the birds, the oil-bombed family is one of the most hated animals. Today, the 2 sides are in a good situation for the oil-bombed family. This revenge must be paid. Oil-bombed father, then with the joy of victory, return to the sky. When the sun goes down, the cat-eared eagle father, only by night cover, sincerely left. He plans to go home and take care of it. Fortunately, oil-bombed still does not know where is the cat-eared eagle. If these days are low-key, the cat-eared eagle family is still safe. A few days later, his wound is almost healed. It's time to get oil-bombed revenge. In a month's time, the cat eagle's father set off. The oil-bombed eagle and the cat eagle are equipped with the same claws as the dagger, but the oil-bombed eagle has faster speed and better vision.
The cat eagle is bigger and has excellent night vision. This is destined to be a sleepless night. At this moment, the oil-bombed eagle's mother is a little uneasy. She protected the right bird and kept screaming for warning. The oil-bombed eagle's father doesn't know where he went. The oil-bombed eagle at night is almost as powerful as us humans, almost blind, but his intuition tells him that danger is approaching step by step. He can only warn the invaders by screaming. It's all black and white around. In order to protect the safety of the right bird, The mother keeps changing her position. Suddenly, a flying sound came from outside. The oil-bombed eagle's mother rushed to the right bird immediately, but nothing happened. But the oil-bombed eagle's mother is getting more and more uneasy. She knows the enemy is coming, but she doesn't know how to fight back. Suddenly, the eagle rushes into the oil-bombed eagle's house. Suddenly, a bird is caught. But the mother of the oil-bombed eagle misjudged the bird as an enemy. She is holding it in her hands. The poor right bird screams in pain. It seems to be reminding the oil-bombed eagle, "It's me, Mother. I'm the one you're holding. I'm in pain." The oil-bombed eagle's mother responds soon. She is hurting the right bird. The oil-bombed eagle is in pain. The mother of the oil-bombed eagle responds. She is hurting her own bird, so she let go of the oil-bombed eagle, continued to open her wings and resist. At this moment, she is in a terrible panic, but it's quiet around. It seems that nothing happened. Just when she was about to fall asleep, the owl appeared again. Soon she caught another oil-bombed eagle and flew away. And the oil-bombed mother took another bird as an invader. The owl attacked her. Even if it was the king of the air war, it was only a blind man at night. Anyone can do anything. The owl with the ability of night vision came and went freely. She saw everything clearly. What was more terrible was the way the owl took revenge. She didn't want to hurt the oil-bombed eagle. Now she is like a ghost. She can't see or touch. Through continuous panic, the owl wants to kill one by one. She took the bird and killed it. This is probably the feeling of revenge. Soon the owl appeared again. This time the owl's mother had experience. When the owl caught the last bird, the owl saw the time to attack. Both sides fought in the house of the owl. The owl caught the owl's mother. Then the two disappeared in the night. The last bird in the nest screamed in terror. She doesn't know what happened. She doesn't know who the enemy is. She only knows that her brothers and sisters and her mother have been taken away one by one. Where did they go? Are they still alive? This feeling is as scary as living people encountering ghosts. It's been quiet outside for a long time. The only baby left is still in the bird's nest. She is still in a coma. She doesn't know when the bad luck will fall on her head. Can you still see the sun tomorrow morning? The owl kept torturing her. She was afraid of death. She turned around and couldn't sleep. At this time, the owl's father flew over again. She quietly stood on the branch outside the nest, like a dead god. "Forget it. I won't torture you. Grandpa, I'll give you a good time." Finally, the owl again spread to the oil waste nest, then catch the last oil waste baby. It disappeared completely in the night. The moon is still high outside. Soon everything is quiet, but no one knows. There was a disaster here tonight. Never offend a cat owl, even if you are the king of the natural world.